All right, thanks for that, Dominic. As kind of a summary slide here, I'm going to talk about how we, baghouse.com, can help you at the customer, wherever you happen to be, whether you're on the mining side, on the cement processing side, engineering, maintenance, operations, EH&S, safety, whatever, what we can do to help you. So we have a number of services we offer. We talked a little bit about how we've done technical audits and inspections at some customer sites. That's something that we do very often when a customer comes to us with questions or problems. So do you have problems at your site? Do you have dust accumulating, visible dust emissions? If you're not quite sure where to start or what to do about it, we'd be happy to do a technical audit. We send out one of our technical people out there to map out your system, document all the issues, and make recommendations so that you can attack those on your at your facility. System design and troubleshooting, similar thing. So, if you're not getting suction where you think you need it, all those kind of things, we have a whole staff of technical people, engineers that are happy to help with those problems. Filter and media recommendations. If you send us your filter spec for what you're currently using, maybe you've got a cartridge collector out in your facility, you're having to change the filters every month, and you're not sure if that's good or bad or what you can do about it, send us whatever information you have. We'd be happy to take a look at it and make sure that you're using the correct filter media. Of course, we sell filters of all types and configurations, and we're happy to sell those or just help you out if you have questions. Retrofits and upgrades. If you have older equipment at your site, we do a lot of upgrade work where we'll go out and we'll rebuild a dust collector. We will redo the ductwork and capture hoods and make sure that your older system is brought up to current standards. So that's something we offer. We do maintenance programs. We have maintenance contracts with customers all over the country where we will go in quarterly or monthly or on an as-needed basis to perform scheduled maintenance for your equipment. So that means filter changes, just general PM checklist inspection type work, rotary airlocks, changing your diaphragm valves, the whole 9 yards. Whatever you need, we're capable of doing that, including larger filter changeouts and so forth. Safety and dust hazard. So we can come out and evaluate your system. We can take measurements and provide reports to help you address your compliance requirements, whether that's respirable silica or, exposure limits, or if you have combustible dust hazard on site, we're happy to do that. In addition to, basic, dust collection system design and integration, installation, and so forth.